much marble on our feet, and here's a marble table. It's very tempting to bring home some of these furniture, but the cost alone because of the weight is too heavy. We'll not be able to bring that. Pretty furniture anyway, but that's where we're going. The hang-in bridge, it says max 2 persons only because it's not going to be able to carry so much weight, and it says don't jump. Did you read that, Malaka? Don't jump. Down there, it's low tide, so it's a good time to swing. Yeah, there's a bit of it's not very fixed, but I think the bridge is strong enough, and we are being held by these strong trees. Oh my god, this is a perfect place to do yoga or to exercise in the morning. Do your push-ups, not press-ups, push-ups. Oh my gosh, do storytelling here. Look at that. Look at this platform. It's just so pretty. This is Romblon, untouched. Sort of everything is made out of local material, not cement, but wood. And it's such a pretty structure. You stay in the dorm or non-AC room, this is a shower, and it's the most swanky shower I've seen. It's shared shower, but it's all marble, and the shower head is like the waterfall style. Not bad for a common shower. Ooh, it's swanky. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is the most swanky. There's our very nice server and slash local who is the one serving us here. And you can actually rent that pretty house there. It's good for 10 people. So who knew that that is part of La Cocopena. Quick little detour back to the city of Romblon, or the town, on our very humble scooter. Let's go.
Scooter.
What?
It's not a humble scooter, it's a fantastic scooter.
Yes, it's a fantastic scooter. We are very grateful for 2 wheels. Let's go, andiamo, on y va. So many dogs here. There must be like at least 20 of them. We are getting some quality fuel for our scooter. The owners of our accommodation recommended to visit Sunbird Ridge. They have nice views of the sunset of the island, and it's just a nice place to look at some trinkets and some artsy stuff that are locally made. So let's check it out. being sustainable here. They are using coconuts for their pots and more coconuts to hold the soil. That's pretty cool. We're trying to be careful now because right behind us there are hummingbirds, and that mixture is sugar and I guess water, well, brown sugar. They're very pretty to look at. This is absolutely the winning shot. Look at the bougainvillea. Look at this. Oh my god, the view. Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. I am gonna cry. It's such a nice view, and they have a nice viewing deck up there. Otherwise, you can just inhale life. Oh my god, it's such fresh air here. I can't even tell you. This is, come to Bird Ridge and enjoy this view. Grab some coffee and enjoy the hummingbirds as well. The last time I had this kind of view was in Culion Island, all the way in Palawan. Right now we are in Visayas, here at the island of Romblon, and just seeing all the different neighboring islands. Actually, we're gonna go diving tomorrow. I think that's the island that we're gonna visit. There's a lot of sanctuaries here, but just being on this island right now here in Bird Ridge, this feels like a sanctuary as well. Can't even tell you how fresh the air smells. It smells like grass. It smells like green, like it smells like life. It's very sweet. So I am so appreciative of being here right now, and that the owners recommended for us to go here. There's actually no sign getting here as well, but do check it out when you are in the area. And there's a lot of nice tables and chairs there, but right now we're gonna just take our time here, enjoy the view, and get something to drink. So we're very lucky and blessed that here we what's your name? Lynn is the owner of this beautiful haven of a sanctuary. She was able to take a picture of a bird called the hoopoe. It's never been found in the Philippines, but it belongs to Israel, I think.
Yeah, the National Bird of Israel.
National Bird of Israel.
That was recorded in Romblon 2016.
2016. But guess what? We found it here in their house in Romblon, and she was able to capture that. So it's a good record to have. Also, you can see the sandbar from here. Right now, let's head up to the rooftop. Let's go check it out. Felt a bit shy recording the owners a while ago, but we met them. We had a quick chat. Lynn is Filipina, Tony's from England, and their story is so nice. They've been married for so long, more than, I don't know, very, very long. They were sailing and living in a catamaran, a sailboat, for more than 8 years, or for about 8 years, and finally after that they decided to settle in a place. They found their lovely home here in Romblon. They decided to build it, and they just opened last month. But even if they've just recently opened, they're so blessed. They have a lot of customers coming here to enjoy the view. Just the stories that we got from them is just giving me so much goosebumps, because of course I do want to have my little piece of paradise one day away from the city. That's why I've been traveling a lot. I've been trying to build my own home for the past 3 years, but of course the pandemic hit and I wasn't able to find a place for myself to live in the province. But anyway, it's just I'm gonna try to enjoy the sunset or the golden hour, and that's a little history of this place. I do think that you guys should visit. And the Philippines is such a beautiful country. There are too many islands to explore. I'm gonna try to see them one by one while I'm still sort of young, but definitely I would love to settle down in a place and find my piece of paradise. Definitely not in Manila, definitely not in the city, definitely somewhere close to the sea and close to the mountains as well, where we can enjoy the wildlife and leave the place untouched.